Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ki Nongïalam Mahakamat jong National People's Party hakas ni sajany kala Hiar sa Southwest Hills District nakabenta banya kendu ki Nongïalam Party kumsi benta pan Pynkhreh nakabenta ka Ilekshon MLA kabansa long house nem Arhajar Arpulai. Ki Nongïalam ka party makentup nadu National Secretary ka NPP u James K Sangma u badairu menteri hak sarkar jilla nangta National Youth President ba Niki Nongklaw ba Jet Kurba President NPP Hills District kalayo banyatai sani bha amtang bat ki Nongïalam bahakmat ka party na ka take district Henry bat ki women's wing kentup ya ki youth wing ki babun ki nongkren ki lapan pau ya bun ki jinge ba ki ya kendu ha ki jing traikam nangta ka jinge dai bat ki Nongïalam ka jela bat kumta kila kerpat ya u James Sangma ba untuklar kenang ba katong jongki pan Pynkhlaiñ ka party kanlong ka basaiso nang ne sakman nakaliang u National Secretary ula kubur ba kaladon shisha ka jingko hakurukam traikam khamtam e ha ka jinge dai ha padeng ki Nongïalam na mau kurwat bat ronikor block bat ki Nongïalam hakmat ka jela hakini ki por baladep nakaliang u James ula kular banyerap katbala nakabenta ki Nongïalam kenang ba kin laban Pynkhlaiñ ka party habaro arteli ki block jong ka Southwest Hills District kaliang National President jong ka National People's Youth Front ba Niki Nongklaw ulapan scam ro bat pedang sengob ha ya baro ki Nonggit kam matamai jong ka NPYF Southwest Hills District ba yoru ya ka jingkren na President jong ka NPP Southwest Hills na lor kiwei
Wat so tenat ba mentaka sengi klayo ben beliau ya tak jing hasmat jami sarhi ya kan ni. Bahot bun ki ba nang ni hasmat ng kermen. Da ka jing form ya kan ni ka NPYF District Committee. Benginyo ni traikam ben kampen scam susu. Ya ka NPYF hang ni hapo District Southwest Hills. Kijing umbalai keren hot kidon kijing bakla kidon ki miscommunication teng kumhabe karen ya gajing wan jung siam biki ong ba mi kemi alat ben kendo katu kam semdai ke hadian bangila ya kliu jumut balai karen bi ba jon ngalapan syairu ba kadi miscommunication mi kemi don andai man hakani ngatrai dang arsni mentai wan sarjem sanetik la yo sintik berahi pengewan bila ko sene ke ngisu tho bakadon kajing ya ki samla jongi haba ki lektur syaki office ba fer banyak rani ki kam ki jam handai ka juk ka poru ngakaman ba piru kin sutu lang bakam dai tang ka sarkar NPP kadai ka sarkar sendrop lang jongi bangidan bat nang ni na po snong jong pi ngidon lang u MLA u badon lang te po sarkar handai ngaru nga sutu bat piru nga frai sutu haba u dai u MLA bum dai na ka parti jongi kamram jong ka dai ban pe choi u brio jong ka nga jong tekani ka pen sutu yang i bang hak trai sitom su kenang bangin yo MLA la jong hau Arpulai hang ni kenang bakal muan mung kini kajing nak samla ni senong ta kalau wai jong ka senong ka thau jong ka parti mi gidei ki nak samla bak ngakermen ru bak ni nak samla kam kut bang ni ini komiti ni thau dei tang sedang bak ingin sa penyar penhet susu lembaga ni adon gini diberi
that today I have come here to listen more than to talk, to give a lecture. I have come here to meet our party leaders from Southwest Hills District and very importantly to meet our leaders from the two block committees, which is Pynkhreh and Ranikol block committees. And I'm so happy that today I have this opportunity to listen to each and every one of you. And today I have taken down so many notes, and I'm very thankful to all our leaders who have spoken before me for being so frank, for being so honest. I know that today's meeting, because it's after such a long time, that I was expecting many things to come out, because the leadership in Southwest Hills has felt neglected for so long, and I expected that there will be many difficult things which our leaders will talk about, but I really appreciate the kind of frankness, everything you have put forward, the challenges, the difficulties, and the kind of hurt and neglect that you have felt because the party has not been able to give time to the organization here in Southwest Khasi Hills district. Therefore, I would like to first apologize on behalf of our leaders if our party leaders, my brothers, my sisters, if you have felt neglected like this from the party. It is definitely something that we have come to realize as a party that we have not been able to go out, meet our party leaders and listen to them and resolve the kind of problems and find solutions to the kind of challenges that you have been facing all these years after the formation of our government in the state. It is not easy to run a party, and today we are so blessed that our party is the ruling party in Meghalaya. But despite the fact that we are running a government in the state, we face many difficulties in terms of the organization. Because, let me be very honest and very frank with you. Today, we as a party now have to balance between being ministers, running a state government, and also taking care of the party organization. So there has been a lot of communication gap that has taken place. And it is very unfortunate that we have not been able to, in the past, quickly find a solution to address this communication gap. But I'm very happy today that I'm here and I'm being able to listen to all of you, because whatever I have noted down today, whatever has been spoken by our leaders today, that will become a report, that will be something which I will brief to our party president, Shri Conrad K. Sangma. I will inform him that these are the challenges that we are facing in Southwest Khasi Hills district. I will inform him that these challenges, these problems faced by our leaders is so genuine. Our leaders, they have so much of love and affection for the party, and they are struggling. They are sacrificing so much for the party, and we must, as an organization, as a family, as a political party, we must take care of them. We must take care of building up the organization and give that kind of support to our party leaders in Southwest Khasi Hills district.